Oh, say, can you see?
We gather here today to pay tribute to those who so innocently perished that day. Not only the first responders, but the family members, and then those right here in our own community. We also pay a special tribute to those who gave their lives freely to save the lives of others that tragic day.
Not only did we lose thousands of neighbors, friends, and family members that day, America lost a sense of security and safety. It was made clear to us on September the 11th, 2001, that we cannot take safety and security for granted. Since that fateful day, Fairfax County has invested in what is needed to protect and prepare our community for catastrophic events, whether caused by man or by nature. We've expanded our emergency response team from police and fire to include the health department, public affairs, and other county players.
President Franklin Roosevelt once called it the warm courage of national unity. Democracy may not be perfect, but some in the world mistakenly view it as weak or vulnerable. And they're wrong. For as demonstrated on 9/11 and countless times before, democracy with an inherent sense of purpose breeds strength and unity.